Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be figuring out how to find time in a compound interest question. So we have our question over here. In how many years a sum of Rs 1 lakh amounts to Rs 1,21,000 at the rate of compound interest 10% per annum? So if you put 1 lakh rupees in a bank, which is our principal, it will amount to, the total compound amount will be 1,21,000 after some years at the rate of 10% per annum. So first, let's just write the given things. So we have solution. Our principal amount is Rs 1 lakh. So 1,00,000. Our compound amount is Rs 1,21,000. Our rate of interest is 10%. And we need to find the time. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to use the formula of compound amount to find the value of time, because compound amount is given in our question. And we know the formula of compound amount is P bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket close T. Now let's just put all the values over here. So we have our compound amount as 1,21,000 equals to our principal is 1 lakh. Bracket close, we have 1 plus our rate is 10 divided by, we have our 100 over here, bracket close, and we need to find this time. Now what we are going to do is we are going to move this 1 lakh to the left side. It's in the product form over here. So when it goes to the left side, it becomes divide. So we get 1,21,000 divided by, we have our 1 lakh over here, equals to, here in our right side, we have 1 plus 10 by 100 to the power t. So we can write that as 1 plus 10 divided by 100 is 0.1 to the power t. Or now when we divide these two numbers, we get 1.21 equals to, when we add 1 and 0.1, we get 1.1 to the power t. Now to find the value of t, what we are going to do is we are going to convert this 1.21 into something like 1.1 to the power of something. So this 1.21 is going to be 1.1 to the power of something. Now you can check this in your calculator, okay? So it could be 1.1 square, or it could be 1.1 cube, okay? So you keep on going and you check it out, and you find out that 1.1 square is actually 1.21. Now when we find that, what we do is we write this 1.21 in terms of 1.1. So we get this 1.21 as 1.1 square equals to, we have 1.1 to the power t over here. Now the reason for doing this is when we have the same base, right, 1.1 and 1.1, the powers become equal from the law of indices. So what we can do now is we have now 2 is equal to t, because 1.1 and 1.1, the bases are same, so their powers are also equal. And hence we get our time period as 2 years. So to clarify this a little bit more, for example, if we had something like 1.331 is equal to 1.1 to the power t, again what we're going to do is we're going to check this 1.331 as 1.1 to the power of something. So again, we check it as 1.1 square. 1.1 square is 1.21. We just did that, right? And then if this does not give you 1.331, then you check 1.1 cube. And when you do that, you get 1.331. So 1.1 cube is 1.331. And then what you do is you write this 1.331 in terms of 1.1 to the power of cube equals to 1.1 to the power of t. And then you get 3 is equal to t, because the bases are same. And in this way, the time could be 3 years. So in this way, whenever we are trying to find the time, right, we'll always get some number over here. And what we need to do is we need to write this number as the same base as in the right side, which is 1.1 to the power of something. And what power is going to give this number, you have to check it in your calculator, okay? And that's how we can find the time in compound interest questions. So if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for future maths videos. Thank you.